And yes, speaking of the taxes, let's talk about hidden US tax trap that could take away 40% of your family's wealth. Most people working in America worry about one thing: income tax. Every month, tax is deducted from their salary. Every year, they file tax return and they believe their responsibility ends there. But what if I told you that there is another tax? One that most Indians have never heard of. One that does not apply while you are alive. It applies after you're gone. And for many Indian families, it came as a devastating surprise. It is called the US federal estate tax. Let me make you understand. Suppose an Indian software engineer spent years working in the US. They receive company shares from employers like Amazon, Google, Meta, Nvidia, or Microsoft. Slowly, these shares become very, very valuable, maybe worth $200,000, maybe $500,000, maybe even more. Something looks secure. But if that family person dies while still classified as non-US citizen for state tax purpose, a completely different tax system comes into play. Here, most Americans receive estate tax exemption worth millions of dollars. But for many foreign nationals, including many Indians on temporary work visa, the exemption is dramatically smaller, just $60,000. And that number hasn't changed for decades. Let me tell you how serious this is. Suppose somebody has accumulated $500,000 worth of company shares after years of working in the tech industry. Only the first $60,000 may be protected here. The remaining value can become subject to federal estate tax with rates that may go as high as 40%. Well, that could mean a large portion of the family's wealth disappears before their spouse or their child receive anything. Now, here's the most shocking part. Many Indian professionals believe that the India-US double taxation agreement, it protects them. No, it does not. That agreement deals mainly with income tax. It does not generally remove the US federal estate tax exposure for Indian nationals. Even your company's HR department may never discuss this. Your salary, your bonuses, your restricted stock unit, everything may look perfectly organized while you are working. But estate planning is an entirely different subject. If proper planning is not done, your family could face legal paperwork, frozen investment account, and significant tax obligation during one of the most difficult moments of your lives. And yes, experts here say that this is exactly why overseas Indians should not think about earning wealth. They should also think about protecting it. That means reviewing manufacturing details. That means understanding cross-border tax rule, seeking professional estate planning advice when it is necessary, and making sure the next generation does not lose a large part of what took decades to build. Because earning money is difficult, but protecting it is as important.